Installation. Really easy with Festo. Judge for yourself. Ready-to-install solutions are the key. But what's behind this idea? Let's look at made-to-measure control cabinets as an example. All the pneumatic and electrical components are already integrated. The control cabinets are developed and produced precisely to your specific requirements. These are then delivered ready to install with all tubing and wiring fitted, fully tested, and documented. You just have to connect the control cabinet and you're done. That's Festo Plug and Work. By the way, you get these services with all other ready-to-install solutions too. For instance, for automated process valves. But the best thing is that these benefits are transferable to all key processes in water technology, such as ultrafiltration, reverse osmosis, fixed bed filtration, digestion towers, and primary clarifiers. Festo, your partner for automation in water technology.